teaching simple English phrases related to a cat's presence in a home environment. Welcome to our English language training. Identify locations in a home using simple English phrases. Understand the context of on, in, and at. Expand vocabulary related to pets and homes. Engage playfully with language learning. Let's discuss key phrases about a cat's presence. Using on, in, and at helps describe where things are. Usage tips. Learn the difference between on, in, and at. Action. Use these words to speak about your cat's location. Describe your home with English phrases. How to describe. Use simple sentences to explain locations. Action. Point out where things are in your house. Learn simple sentence structures for beginners. Sentence structure. Start with subject, verb, and preposition. Action. Practice making sentences about your cat. Use images to make learning fun. Engaging visuals. Watch as we show cats in different locations. Action. Follow along with visuals while learning. Now let's check understanding with real-life examples. A cat is on the sofa. Where's the cat? Think and answer. The cat is on the sofa. Your action is, repeat, the cat is on the sofa. A cat is in the room. What does in mean? Reflect and explain. The cat is in the room. Your action should be, say the cat is in the room. A cat is at home. What does that mean? Analyze and describe. The cat is at home. Your action is, repeat, the cat is at home. Basics of prepositions in English. Common phrases related to pets. Applying simple phrases in daily life. Practice formed phrases with your pets at home. Thank you for joining our learning session on English.